She's in there. Hey, bro. Ready?
Gonna tell you the story of a reggae shark. There are hundreds of sharks living under the sea. A great white hammerheads and white tip reefs. But the one shark discovery always leave out is the dreadlock rasta fish I'm talking about. Reggae shark, he's real. Reggae shark, him got a band with the seals. Oh, reggae shark, he don't want to harm ya. Reggae shark, he just want ya ganja. Reggae shark, after dark, reggae shark come cruising. Some say reggae shark's part human. Him was cursed by an evil jelly witch. Didn't have no reason, she was just a bitch. Some kids were boating and smoking a spliff. Reggae shark swam over to ask for a hit. The kids start screaming and one of them drowned. Now the sheriff and his posse gonna hunt him down. Reggae shark got no political agenda. Reggae shark, he just wants redemption. Reggae shark, and he also wants ganja. But you can't light the spliff when you live underwater. One day a drug boat had to drop its load. Reggae shark come along and him ate it whole. Now he's starving like Marvin, got the munchies. Then him see the evil sheriff and all his flunkies. He put his fins in the air, said it wasn't me fault. But the sheriff set fire and the rifle shot. But it was just a shark decoy tied to a raft. Cause the reggae shark's a master of the arts and crafts. Reggae shark, he jumped on the boat and the sheriff fell down his throat. The townspeople cheered and said, you brought us peace. You took a bite of corruption in the town police. They threw him a huge ticker tape parade. Cause they know that the balance is not.
I couldn't get out of the way.
They gave him the key to Kingston town. You should see the tourism he brings in now. You've redeemed yourself, said the jelly witch. Me can reverse that curse and I grant your wish. Him looked at the witch and he said nay. Cause I'm a reggae shark and that's the way I'll stay. Reggae shark, reggae shark,
Reggae shark.
reggae shark, reggae shark,
Reggae shark.
the key of awesome. Yeah, it's the further adventures of the reggae shark. Reggae shark. When we last left reggae shark, they threw him a parade for bringing peace to Kingston town. He got the taste of fame and then he swam off to LA. And now Jamaica wears a frown and all the children cry. Reggae shark, can't believe you left. You break our hearts. You showed us no respect.
He got himself a legend and an entourage. Produced a hit single for Nicki Minaj. He made a couple movies and he's on TV. And now he only smokes the prescription weed.
Yeah man, me take 400 pounds of that purple brain pillow.
Got his own reality show. Meanwhile back home, there's barracudas abusing the coast. Oh no, Reggae Shark's new movie received terrible reviews. They said Reggae Shark has jumped himself. Him got so depressed he went and drank a whole bush cruise. Got his reflection and thought what's become of you.
Oh.
He bought me the jelly witch and fasted. That's my old memory. I've been in the whole time. Control your time to take you slip past the witches from back home. It's a no song.
I didn't touch one, but one touched me.
Dave, the tail came up early.
Yeah.
Don't the barracuda, the party was through. And
Yeah,
take them all
I was
and
trying to
had
fucking
fun
see long side and shit. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that's some good shit, huh?
Where is that jelly bitch? Jelly bitch, she stole my car.
So long, potheads. I'll be back, Reggae Shark, when you least expect it.
Okay, well now me will be expecting it because you said that. You know, I and I would not be surprised.
You know what I mean. It's just an expression.
The key of awesome.